Rising rigs are humming down in the fire I fight. Sharks are bleeding, traders running, I stay through the night. Buy the dip, ride the spike, volatility.
Good evening, miners, friends, community members. I'm in stock traders, crypto traders, everyone out there in the community. It's 8:06 p.m. and this is the part where I enjoy what's going on here. I have seen some things when I start clicking down here, right? And this is one of them right here. Let me pull myself off to the side down below. Yeah, somewhere like that. Okay. And what we have, okay, is the top 26 stocks as of 8:07 p.m. in the overnight session. Okay. The ones that I'm going to be interested in the most are very simple and very quick as I look down the list. Now, when I go here and I click these, Moo has restrictions because their clearinghouse does not allow some of them, so I won't even bother with them. I can trade this one, but micro stocks like this don't excite me. Most things under $1 don't. There's only certain ones, and this is not one of them. Okay, so as we scroll on down here, these are leveraged stocks. We don't care about that. All right, the first one on my list that I think people should watch for a very good reason, okay, is this reason right here. Sky Courier, Sky Q, all right? They have, over here, reached a deal. And, okay, Sky Courier is in production refining, right? A four-lane regional facility, producing diesel, vacuum gas, oil, VGO, right? For liquid paving, asphalts, and Western markets. Yes, potholes, guys. They have a new way of doing things. But they have an MOU that they've reached, okay, to advance next generation fuel technologies, okay, between them, okay, let's see here, and DevStream Corp, okay, which is great news. However, this is not the entire ball of wax, right? They did, in the post-market, hit $5.19 a share. These guys have taken off as high as $20 a share almost, $19.45 with 52-week high only a couple weeks ago. But, when I say but, watch this for analysis. The short interest here is at 62%. So there's a possible short squeeze with this. If you go looking around, all right, and having some experience with this stock, this is probably one that I'm going to buy, and it's going to be on my watch list. Okay? And as far as that's concerned, now as far as crypto plays are concerned, I'm going to keep a close eye on Iron. Okay? They have an NVIDIA deal going on. If you're into crypto stocks and AI, Iron is a company that does mining and hosting and so on. And as you can see right now, it's only up 8% in after hours and it's still cruising along. This is something that you can go long, have a short-term swing on. It's going to keep gaining momentum over the course of the next few months. Or you can do it as a day trade if you want. Get in, get out. That's great. These are kind of the ones I'm looking at when I go scrolling through here and I'm seeing things. Block is another one here, right? Kind of low on the list. Kind of similar. They had good news, right? Slumps 8% after lifting guidance, higher payment volumes. Well, we all know that's good. Rare earths have been a hot topic lately. Okay, but there is nothing overnight realistically in the top 10 that really jumps out with me other than SkyQ at the moment. If I go back into the overall markets and I look what's going on right now, futures are stating that we possibly could have a upside open, but when I look at the post market instead of the after hours market, or overnight is what we're looking at. See, I'm making sure I'm not going crazy here, guys. When I look at the post market or after hours market, you could see some of the similar things going on here. Some things that kind of look a little interesting. This is fairly decent. There are no trades overnight yet on HTOO. That's got some promise there. It's up, 14% after hours. Nothing yet. Watch out for this Rich Sparkles thing. Chinese stuff. It is, as of right now, a good possibility that it can pop. The float is low. Just the same as Sky Q. Just keep your eyes out, because these are some of the things that I'll be looking at when and if I get up early enough in the morning to do the next thing. My favorites, though, for crypto are Keel right now and AI infrastructure. Even though Bitcoin is down right now, and I will type Bitcoin. As you can see, Bitcoin's running up 0.1%, 80,086 and change. If Bitcoin continues to rise, Keel will go up. It's a dead giveaway. There's a bunch of different ones that are out there, but that is pretty much where I'm at the moment. So on that note, I'm going to slip on out of here. No advertising for me, boys and girls, at the moment. So I will see you guys sometime tomorrow after we close, and I will post my trades and my Bitcoin rewards mining video, and possibly the watch list. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.